Hi, it's Miss Parrott, and welcome back to the AP Bio Words That Matter series. This video is the last video in this series, and we're going to be looking today at the last 5 words in Skill Set B, Applying Constraints and Conditions. In these videos in this series, we decode words you're going to see on the AP Biology exam to help you understand what they're asking and how you can choose the best answer to help you earn the most points. These last 5 words help us tell when or under what conditions the biology applies. So let's start with the first one. When AP Bio says optimal, that means the best condition. An example of a time you might see this on the AP Bio exam would be enzyme activity is highest at an optimal temperature. The next word is extreme. When AP Bio says extreme, that means outside the normal range. An example could be extreme pH can denature enzymes, right? That means enzyme that's very high or very low, outside of the optimal range. Next, we have predominantly. Predominantly is just a super sassy way to say mostly. Predominantly, an example could be water is predominantly found inside cells. So most of what's going on inside a cell is water. The next word is selective or selectively. This means only some things are allowed. A really classic example of this on the AP Bio exam would be saying the cell membrane is selective to what it allows to pass. It only lets some things in and out. And the last word, not just of this video, but of this series, is specific to. That means something only works in a very specific or certain situation. It only works in this case. So an enzyme is specific to a substrate, meaning that enzyme only works on that one substrate. Thank you so much for joining me in this series. If it was helpful, be sure, I'm leaving that in. Be sure to like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for this and all kinds of other AP Bio exam skills videos. Leave a comment, a question, or an emoji down below. And if you're a teacher, please do check out my resources on TPT at Know and Grow with Gnomes. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.